Hey y'all, my name is Nomsandaza Magwaza and welcome to my channel. So I created this look. This is my first ever YouTube video period. So I created this look. I felt green today, so I went and I changed my outfit, got this cute little blazer on. I felt green today, I don't know why, but if you like this look and you want to see how I achieved it, then please keep on watching. Okay, so first things first, we need to prime our face. So today I'm using the Maybelline Instant Pore Eraser Primer. Mainly gonna focus that on my T-zone because that's where I am hella oily, and that's where my pores are mainly visible. So I'm just gonna blend that in. So I did my brows off camera. I had such a hectic eyebrow day. Like, my brows just did not want to cooperate, so I decided not to film that part. But then I am going to go into the Maybelline Instant Anti-Age Eraser Concealer in 10 Caramel just to give my eyeshadow a nice low base. So I'm going to prime my eyes using this, and I'm going to go in with a fluffy brush just to blend that out. So now it's time for us to do our eyeshadow. So I'm going to tap into that beautiful green shade right there. This is a palette that I got about 2 years ago, I want to say, from Discam. It's from a brand called Beauty Treats. So here I am just packing on the color, just nicely packing on the color. So okay, here I was contemplating going with green. I was like, maybe green is not such a good idea, but we still pushed and went ahead with it. Next, I'm going to go into that beautiful shade right there. It's like a neon greeny color, and I'm just going to blend out the edges of that green eyeshadow that I placed prior to this. Next, I'm going to take my Magic Setting Spray from Loreal and just spray my brush because I'm about to pick up a shimmer shade. So I want the colors to be nice and vibrant. I'm going to go into that beautiful greeny, goldy shimmer shade. Guys, let me tell you, this shade got me so excited because just look at that. Look how pretty that looks. I swear to God, the camera just did not do it any justice. This color is absolutely beautiful. So I'm just going to place that color in between the green eyeshadow, the dark green eyeshadow that I placed on the inner and the outer corners of my eye, and just blend that nicely so that it gives it a nice and smooth blend. Now I'm going to go into my Wet n Wild waterproof liquid eyeliner in black. This eyeliner, guys, when I tell you it is waterproof, I literally mean it is waterproof. It's going to be so stubborn when it's time for you to remove it, but it looks so good and it's nice and dark, very easy to apply. I absolutely love this eyeliner. Now we're gonna jump onto skin. Look at me, I thought I didn't prime my face. That's why I was like but anyway, now we're gonna move into the L'Oreal Infallible 24-Hour Fresh Wear Foundation in 365 Deep Golden. I mixed that with the Maybelline Fit Me Foundation in 350, and I'm just going to blend that out, buff that out nicely into my face and down my neck. Now for my favorite part, which gives the face some definition, boo-boo, we are going to go into the Loreal Paris Conceal in Toffee, and we're just going to highlight our face. So I'm going to place that concealer on my chin, above my lip, underneath my eyes, down the bridge of my nose, and on my forehead. When it comes to my forehead, I try and put as little product as I possibly can because my forehead creases quite a bit. So I need to make sure that when I'm done, my forehead basically doesn't look cakey. So that's why I do not put a lot of concealer on my forehead. Now we're going to blend out that concealer using a blending brush. This is actually an eyeshadow blending brush, but I use it to blend out my concealer because it just gives me a nice smooth finish. Then once we're done blending all of that out, I'm going to go in with my beauty blender just to blend everything out a little bit more, because I do find that a beauty blender does a better job at blending than a brush. Next, I'm going to go in with some powder. I actually forgot what powder this is. I'm sorry, but any powder will do. I'm going to go into my powder and set everywhere where I put the concealer, just to make sure that that concealer sets and it does not move. So it's going to have us looking snatched. Pro tip: if you want your makeup to look flawless, especially after you put on the powder, make sure you use a damp beauty blender. This is a technique that I got from Savannah Silver. She's Savannah Silver on Instagram and here on YouTube. So if you're going to use a damp beauty blender, pick up some powder and press the powder into the skin until it dissolves. Let me tell you, boo-boo, boo-boo, you are going to look snatched. It's going to look so flawless, I promise you. Make sure you get your smile lines. Those are problematic for me, so I always have to make sure I get them. Then I'm going to set the rest of my face with just the same powder. Next, I'm going to go into the Yardley Even Complexion Pressed Powder in Cocoa. This is a pressed powder, but I use it to just bronzify my face. I don't even know what I was saying here, but I'm pretty sure I was saying we've got to bronzify if you want to catch Papi's eye. Again, I got that from Savannah Silver. I'm obsessed with her, so if I say stuff that she says, please understand. I'm always watching her videos. So just blend out that powder. Make sure when you're blending, you're going in circular motions and you're blending up. You do not want to blend downwards. Then with the exact same powder, we are going to snatch that jawline, baby, because we are gaining some weight and ain't nobody trying to look fat, okay? We're trying to look snatched. Ooh, that rhymes. I should be a rapper. Anyway, also go down the bridge of your nose just to snatch that nose so it looks nice and cute, boo-boo. So now I'm going back into that first palette that we took from Beauty Treats, and I'm going back into the exact same green shade. Then I'm going to place that underneath my waterline, and I'm going to go back into that lime green shade also just to place that in the middle. And then after that, we're going to go into that shimmer shade that we put on top and put in the middle as well. I'm gonna go into this LA Girl neon liner in I Gotcha, and I'm just going to place that on my waterline. Sorry I didn't show this, but holding the mirror and everything was just a mess, so I did that off camera. Next, I'm going to go into the Essence Cosmetics Lash Princess Mascara. This mascara is absolutely amazing. It's going to give your lashes literally that effect. They're going to look so good, and it is affordable, so I absolutely love it. The next step is to put on lashes, but I'm definitely going to be doing that off camera. Then we're going to move on to the highlighting process. So here I'm going to go into the Essence Bronze Eyeshadow Palette. I bought this palette specifically for highlighting. So I'm going to be highlighting the high points of my cheeks, down the bridge of my nose, my brow bone, and the inner corners of my eye. Next, I'm going to go into the LA Girl Perfect Precision Liner in a dark brown just to line my lips. And then I'm going to go into the MAC Cosmetics lipstick. I actually forgot the shade. I'm going to try and put it in the description box if I can find it. But I'm going to go in with the lipstick, blend everything in together, and we are done. Okay, so last but not least, I'm going to go into the L'Oreal Magic Setting Spray just to set our face, spray everything down so that we don't look powdery and everything is just going to be set in place. Then I'm going to go in and change my clothes. I changed my clothes, I did my hair, and I actually like how it came out. I think it's really cute, super cute. Yeah, so yes, a bitch is a feeling herself. I need to wear some earrings though. But anyway, if you like this video, please just give it a thumbs up so that I know that you guys want more videos like this from me, because this was the first for me. This whole camera thing just doesn't work, you know what I'm saying? So if you like this slay, okay, then yeah, give it a thumbs up, comment down below. Subscribing to my channel would actually be nice, so please subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.